Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us at 5. I'm Mark Blaine. Kelly Van Middendorp has the night off. A recent report finds over 1,600 people in our community are homeless. The issue continues to be a major concern for residents and local leaders alike. Today, 23 ABC's Vanya Patino joined city council members touring the Brundage Lane Navigation Center to see the work being done to combat the situation.
Well, the next phase in addressing the homeless issue in our community is expansion, which includes places like this, which will soon be a men's dorm room. This so that they're not forced to continue turning away as many people.
Each week, the city has to turn away 100 people that are interested in entering the Brundage Lane Navigation Center.
It's an issue Anthony Valdez with the city of Bakersfield hopes will be solved with the 119 additional beds this expansion is set to bring. And it's not just a lack of bed space. He says things like not having enough kennels for pets or couples dorms also prevents people from staying at a shelter. This is why the expansion looks to remove those barriers by increasing their kennel space from 15 to 50, among other initiatives.
It's a 99-bed men's dorm, a 20-bed recuperative care dorm operated by Kern Medical so that emergency rooms can move folks out of emergency room beds into the shelter.
They will also have bike storage and expanded parking for those living out of their cars. Valdez does note that the end goal is to move them out of shelters and into permanent housing. At the moment, the average person stays 90 days at the shelter, but getting into a house is only becoming harder with the affordable housing shortage.
Here at the city's Brundage Lane Navigation Center, we have 76 people that have been matched with the voucher. That's 76 people where their housing will be paid for, but we just simply cannot find a place to house them.
The center says over the past year and a half, the center has been able to find housing for 158 people, and 90% of them have maintained that housing since.
And the way we do that is providing quality aftercare services, so that once a person is placed in housing, we can continue to go in and provide mental health care or chemical addiction treatment or domestic violence counseling. Whatever that person's trauma is, we continue to provide help for that trauma once they're housed.
That trauma being part of the issue that cannot be ignored.
Because of mental health and substance abuse, we are seeing an increase in folks that are service resistant. And so the city at the state level is working really hard on changing policy to increase access to mental health and substance abuse services because this is fundamentally a mental health and substance abuse crisis.
The expansion is set to be completed in January of next year. On our website, you can find a full layout of the plan. In East Bakersfield, Vanya Patino, 23 ABC News, connecting you.